Are you okay?
Yeah, like, I need to know what's going on, because next step is calling the fucking people in the white coats to take you away from here.
Oh, jeez.
Seriously, there's like...
I swear to God, it's like the little elves are building.
You're not explaining anything of what it sounds like.
You know the doozers? You can't explain them.
Oh my god. So you're just ranting and raving like a loony.
Are you
Oh my
seriously
God,
losing
no!
it?
It's in my fucking ear.
Stop. We're not doing this. No, it's not yours to play with.
What's it sound like?
Can't trust it.
Like, babe, it's like a dog whistle.
But just constant, or it's coming and going?
It's constant, but coming. Like it doesn't take a breath.
Okay. Seriously. Because, like...
No, I'm not. I'm not even kidding. Oh my God, I'm going to bed.